Are the bargains that you're saving up for, can you afford them? Do you have a place for them? Is it really a bargain and does it make your life better? Or is it silently becoming a burden because you're drifting aimlessly through the shopping process and you're not actually paying attention to the new normal that you've created? And I hate having this question because a lot of us have never actually had conversations. We're like, oh, I've got too much stuff. I should get rid of it. Without realizing that we ourselves did this to ourselves. We created a new normal and then we're trying to maintain the normal. And anything from that, when we clear out everything and it all comes back, that's our new normal. That's our normal. That is our comfort zone. And without changing the comfort zone, everything goes back to the way it was. Everything went back to the way it was for me living alone as it was when I lived in a house with 21 people. I didn't realize that's exactly what I was doing. And so now that I'm consciously aware, I can consciously say, hey, it's not healthy for me to go inside stores right now. And so I've outsourced all of my shopping. And I do not go inside a store if I can help it. And if somebody drives me to a store and I'm a passenger in the car, I say, thank you, I'm going to sit in the car and I'm going to return emails while you're inside the store. Here's my shopping list. Here's what I need. I'll pay you to go inside and get what I need. I'm going to sit here in the car and return my emails because I know I'm going to spend a whole lot less money. I'm not going to have the impulse shopping. I'm not going to buy things that I don't need, want, use, or will have to store again. And it's going to help me stay with the new norm that I have, which is learning to live with less. And so that's where I'm coming from, and that's my process. I hope that sharing this with you has just sparked a conversation, and that as we move forward, I'm not judging anybody. I want everybody to have nice stuff, and I still have nice stuff. I live in a really nice house. I have nice vehicles. I have nice clothes, but I'm now consciously living within my means, and I'm consciously living and buying things on purpose and with intent. And so as stuff comes into my life, I'm looking at it and saying, oh, you know what? I know right now by looking at that's not part of my life. I will never use that. And then letting it go immediately and being able to regift that immediately so that I'm not storing it for 5 years and then it goes out of style or out of date. And then I get rid of it. I'm getting rid of it right now, right? I'm creating a new normal way of living with less and then changing my relationship with that stuff.